Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your password on your Nunchuk Wallet's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To reset your password on Nunchuk Wallet, firstly go ahead and open your Nunchuk Wallet application. You will end up on the login page of your Nunchuk Wallet's account. Enter your email address and tap on Forgot Password option. On the next page, enter your email address associated with your Nunchuk Bitcoin Wallet's account and tap on Send a Temporary Password option. A temporary password will be sent to your email address. Enter a temporary password sent to your email address, create a new password and confirm your new password by re-entering it, then tap on Update Password option. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. A confirmation code will be sent to your email address for verification. Enter a confirmation code sent to your email address and tap on Continue. This is how you can reset your password on Nunchuk Wallet's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.